This is going to be a video on the MFE Inspection Solutions, Blackline Safety, and Boston Dynamics Integration Kit. Upon opening the case, we have the Blackline Safety G7c, along with a pouch full of accessories, a USB cable, and its power supply, along with the calibration cap and quick connect module, a filter. We also have an additional USB cable and its associated power supply, along with a gas calibration tube with its filter and quick connect. Included, we also have the Blackline Safety G7 Bridge accessories kit, which includes the cable to connect the G7c to the Boston Dynamics spot, along with an additional quick connect and a USB drive. You will also receive a screwdriver and a single click-fast stud. Next, you'll see the hardware accessories for the integration between the G7 and spot. Inside, you'll find a USB extension cable, the needed studs and spacers, a pack of washers, 22 and 35mm screws. You'll also find a bag of the post-assembly lock nuts and the mounting plate, a click-fast quick-release magnet mount, and the Blackline Safety G7 dock. In the upper center pouch, you'll find the Blackline Safety dock port stickers, as well as get started guides, as well as the calibration hosing. To the right of that, you'll have the G7c instructions and quick start guides. And directly below that, you'll have your calibration hosing for the G7.